of joy! Hello, little friends. Are you ready to count from 11 to 20 today? But wait, do you like learning with cute animal friends? Want more fun songs and counting games? Then go ahead and like this video and subscribe to Hat of Joy. That way, you won't miss any adventures. Let's get started. Let's go on a counting adventure. Let's say the numbers one by one. Repeat after me. 11. 11. Can you say it too?
11.
A bunny hops with number 11. 12. 12. Say it with me. 12.
12.
Two ducklings do a happy dance. 13. 13. Repeat after me. 13.
13.
A kitty juggles 3 balls. 14. 14. Say it with me. 14.
14.
Balloons float up and pop, pop, pop. Look, it's 15. Can you say 15?
15.
5 frogs jump on lily pads. Boing, boing. Let's say the numbers one by one. Repeat after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's count again. Come join in. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's play. What's the number? What comes after 12?
13.
You got it! Let's count from 16 to 20. Follow the jungle beat. 16. Let's say with me. 16.
16.
A monkey swings on a vine. 17. A tall giraffe stretches up high. 18. Colorful parrots fly by singing 18. Tweet, tweet.
18.
19. Lions give a friendly roar.
19.
Roar!
Roar. Roar.
20. 20.
20.
A big elephant sprays rainbow everywhere. Swoosh! 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What a wild number party. It's time for a fun game. Let's play. What's the number? If it comes after 11, what is it?
12.
What's one more than 18?
19. 19.
Woohoo! Smart stars! Get ready to wiggle, giggle, and sing along, because it's Hat of Joy song time. Let's go!
Let's count From 11 to 20, we love to learn. It's so funny. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's go higher, sing with me. 16, 17, 18, 19. Last is 20, big and shiny. Let's clap our hands and shout, hooray! We counted numbers all the way.
Yay! You did it! You counted from 11 to 20. You are a number superstar. Did you have fun? Then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Hat of Joy. We'll see you next time for more songs, fun and learning. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye! See you soon! Hat of Joy!